Now let's create our conversations. The first conversation is the start conversation. As you remember, when you played the game, there was a conversation in the beginning of the game which was called start here. This is the name of the conversation, and give it an icon which is the guider picture. So this icon will be displayed on the map. And before edit the script, save the conversation. So now it's saved over here, then you can edit it. Click on it and go to script editor. One important thing before create the conversation, create your character. Otherwise you will be the speaker in these conversations. I mean you, the editor of this game. So let's create a character, give it a name, guider, and give it an icon which is the guider picture, and then save. Now edit your script. This conversation is kind of welcome message and a direction for the next step. So I have the conversation over here as well. So copy and paste, and then save. So as you see, this is the welcome conversation, and this is the direction to the next step, which is click on watch. So let's change this button, the text in this button, from buy to watch. And don't forget to change the speaker over here. Now the speaker is you, the editor, so change it to the guider. Now the guider will talk to the players. He will give him this welcome message and this instruction. Click on watch. Now this conversation is ready. Click on save. Now let's create the second conversation. Once the player finish watching the video, when they go back, they should have some new instructions. The new instructions is to guide them to go to the Great Wall, which is the first window. So let's create a conversation, call it the Great Wall 1. I mean this is the start of visiting the Great Wall. We have another conversation for the Great Wall, which is the exit from the Great Wall. So we don't need to add an icon because this conversation will not be appearing on the map. In the development phase, you will see that once the player finishing watching the video and go back, they will go back to this conversation directly without going to the map. So just save it. After saving the conversation, edit the script as well. Don't forget to change the speaker to guider, and then write the text of this conversation. I have it here as well. This is Great Wall start conversation. And paste. Save. As you see, this conversation contains some instructions. Go check it out and I will talk to you again after that. He said it will be appearing on the map near China after you leave this conversation. So go check it out and I will talk to you again after that. So let's do this move. Change this button to go to the map. So, and change the action. Once the player click On go to the map, it will take him to exit to tab, and this tab would be map. So once the player click here, he will go directly to the map, and the player will find the Great Wall and save. The next conversation is the question of the Great Wall. Let's add a conversation. Name it Great Wall question. Save it, and then edit the script. We will use the form of the conversation to ask the question. Let's put the question over here, which I have it. The question is, where is the Great Wall located? Save the question. And now add the options. Delete this button because we don't want to finish before answer the question. So delete. Now this is the first option, and add a second option. Let's put the options. Here is China. Save. And here is, for example, India. And save. China is the correct answer. So once the player chooses China, he'll got this text. For example, correct. Save. If he's wrong, he'll be told that he's wrong. Wrong answer. And if the answer is wrong, put this button is try again. And try again means you'll go back to the start of this conversation, to the question. So change the action, exit to conversation, and choose the conversation is this conversation, the Great Wall question, and save. So once he choose try again, he'll go back to the Great Wall question. If he choose China, he'll be told that he's correct, and then let's say, for example, next. I mean the next level or step in this game, and save. Now the question is ready. And please don't forget to change the speaker to the guider at each box of this conversation. Guider, guider, and guider. Save. We did the same thing with Taj Mahal. We add 3 conversations. First one is the start conversation of Taj Mahal, and after that the second conversation, which asks the learners that he or she should answer a question, and after that the question itself with the same programming. Wrong answer, try again, he will go back to the conversation, and the correct, he will end the conversation. We need to add one more conversation, which is called end. I mean the end of the game. Save it, and then let's try edit the script. I have the text over here as well. This is the end conversation. Copy and paste. As you see, he said, congratulations, you made it. Get your gift, which allow you to watch a nice video. You can find this gift in the USA near Los Angeles. After that, you are free to leave the game. I hope that you enjoyed your time. Nice to travel with you. And here, bye bye. So, save the conversation. In the next video, we are going to learn how to put all of these components together in the scene and program them to build this game. See you later.